Welcome to another Goodnight video here at the NoCo Cat Cafe. We want to thank everyone who joined us this week and invite you to say goodnight to your favorite kitties in the chat. We're going to start by saying goodnight to Faralotta. She runs away from me. Goodnight to Arctic. We have a special goodnight for Simba from Penny. Goodnight, Simba. Goodnight to Margaret. Goodnight to Shuri. Goodnight to Batman. Good night to Mr. Lip. Good night to Chloe. Good night, Chloe. Good night to Philo. Good night, Philo, you pretty boy. Good night to Arrow. Here we have Snooky. Good night, Snooky. Back here, playing in the tube, is Tutankhamun. Good night, King Tut. Is anybody in there with you? Oh, Peanut's in there with you. There's Peanut. Good night, Peanut. Good night to Russo. There's Russo's brother, Hopper. Hopper. Good night, Hopper. Good night to the fishies. We want to thank everyone who joined us this week here at the NoCo Cat Cafe, and we look forward to seeing everyone again next week. Good night.